Hello all, this is Nandhini, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science at Dr. SNS Rajlakshmi College of Arts and Science. Now we are going to discuss about a case study problem in improving software development with waterfall model in software engineer. So we discuss the problem. So the problem statements are the software companies has been using the traditional waterfall model for software development. While the waterfall model has been effective in certain aspects, the company is facing challenges and it has hidden its ability to respond to change requirements and market dynamics. So these are the problem statements. And the problem background is a software companies, a well-established player in the industry, has historically followed the waterfall model for its software development projects. The waterfall model is a traditional linear approach to software development, so which is consisting of sequential phase such as requirements gathering, design, implementation, testing and maintenance. While this model has been effective in providing structure and clarity to the development process, and the companies is encountering several challenges that necessitate a revaluation of its software development methodology. So this is the problem background. And the challenges are rigidity to change, so which means the linear and sequential nature of the software model makes it is difficult to accommodate changes in requirements, resulting in a lack of facility. So this is the first challenge. And the next challenge is limited stakeholders involvement. So the stakeholder involvement primarily occurs during the initial and final phase of the development life cycle, so which is leading to potential misunderstandings and unmet expectations. So this is the second one. And the third challenge is delayed feedback. So the feedback loop is extended as comprehensive testing and user feedback only occur after the completion of the entire development cycle, so which is increasing the risk of identifying issues late in the process. And the last challenge is long time to market. So the time taken from project initiation to final product delivery is extended, impacting the company's ability to respond quickly to market changes. So these are the challenges for this case study. So how we can solve this problem in sense? So we can solve this problem the step by step. So the companies which is aims to introduce agile principles while retaining the structure of the software model for certain aspects of the project. So the hybrid approaches, so this is the first step to solve these problems. So first we adopt a hybrid model that combines the structured phase of the waterfall model with the agile principles for increased flexibility and responsiveness. Use the waterfall model for planning, requirements gathering and design phase. And the second step is incremental development. So which means the break down the project into smaller, manageable and increments. So implement agile methodologies such as Scrum for iterative development within each increment. And the next step is enhance stakeholder engagement. So facilitate more frequent and collaborative interactions with stakeholders throughout the development process. Conduct regular sprint reviews to gather feedback and address concerns promptly. So this is the third step. And the fourth step is continuous testing. So in the introduce a continuous testing approach to identify and address issues, so the earlier in the development cycle. So conduct regular testing and quality assurance activities throughout each iteration, so which gives a better result. And next step is improved project monitoring. So they implement project monitoring tools to track progress, identify bottlenecks and make data driven decisions. So conduct regular respectives to access the effectiveness of the hybrid approach and make adjustment as needed. So these are the solution to solve these problems. And next one is outcome. So once we are using this steps, so we can increase the flexibility to adapt to change requirements, and we can also enhance stakeholder satisfaction through regular engagement and feedback, and we can also reduce the time to market with incremental releases, and and we can also improve product quality through continuous testing. So the continuous testing, it gives a better project visibility and control throwing monitoring and respective um, products. So these are the outcome for this case study. And the conclusion is, so in the light of these challenges, the software companies recognize the need to explore alternative approaches so that blend the structured aspects of the waterfall model with more flexible methodologies. So the main goal is to strike the balance that allows for adaptability to changing requirements, so the fosters continuous stakeholders engagement. So once the feedback loops and accelerated the time to market for software products, so these are the very important to achieve the goal. And the company's aim is to implement the hybrid model that combines the strength of waterfall with the agile principles, fostering a more responsive and collaborative software, so the development process. This strategic shift to expected to address the identified challenges and position of the software company for greater success in an ever evolving industry landscape. So this is the conclusion of this case study. Thank you.